The man starts line of dance facing diagonal to the outside wall. He steps left, side right, takes the left foot back almost like a curtsy, dropping and releasing the right foot. Show you again. In 3 counts, forward, side, drop. Point the toe. Check your level of dance. Some syllabuses like you to keep the foot in contact with the floor. Some allow it slightly up. You should never lift it high in any account. This is for professional dance displays only, where they may make a développé on the end. You can practice this if you want to look fancy, but normally it would be the girl that makes the développé. So for the man, forward, side, drop. This is often followed by a chasse. Forward, side, close, side, just to finish it off. Also, the man can turn the girl on the chasse to make a change of direction. So for example, whisk followed by a turn chasse, forward, side, drop, step, side, close, side. So you could use it to make a corner turn. The girl's whisk. She starts with her right foot. She is backing the outside wall of her line of dance. And she makes back, side to her foot, drop back. Show you again. So she starts backing diagonal to the outside wall. Back, side, drop back. Then if she wanted to finish with the chasse, straight, step, side, close, side. Show you again. Whisk with chasse for the girl. Right foot first, back, side, drop, step, side, close, side. Now with her turn chasse, she would rely on the man whether it's going to be straight or turned or the amount of turn. So she would just follow the lead for that. So she makes back, side, drop, step, chasse.